In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted list in Hubspot. Whether you've accidentally deleted a list or just need to recover one for any reason, this straightforward process can help you retrieve your lost data swiftly. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring that you can follow along with ease. First, you'll want to head to the Hubspot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Hubspot. Once you're there, the first thing you'll notice in the top right corner of the page is the Login button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. You'll need these handy. If your browser is set up to remember your login info, you may automatically gain access without much hassle. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Hubspot homepage. This is the central hub for all your Hubspot activities, and from here we need to dive deeper into specific areas of the software. Look for the CRM option, usually found in the main navigation menu. Clicking the CRM takes you to the Customer Relationship Management section, where you can manage contacts, leads, and other essential elements. Inside the CRM section, look for the Lists option. Lists in Hubspot is where all of your segmentations and group data are housed. Selecting lists will bring you to the area where you can engage with different lists you've created or received. This is also where you'll start the recovery process for any lists you wish to restore. Now, to retrieve a deleted list, navigate to the recently deleted section. This section acts like a recycle bin, storing any lists that were deleted within a certain time frame. In this area, you can preview all lists that have been removed but are recoverable. It's vital to note that items here are only available for restoration for a limited period, so it's a good practice to restore needed items as soon as you realize they're missing. Once you're in the recently deleted section, find the specific list you need to restore. You may want to use sorting or filtering options if applicable, as these can help narrow down your selection, especially if multiple lists are involved. When you've located the correct list, you'll see an option to restore. Click Restore to bring back your desired list to its original place in the List section. And that's it! With just a few simple clicks, you've learned how to recover a deleted list in Hubspot. Remember, carefully reviewing your lists and acting swiftly are keys to ensuring your data remains intact and readily available. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful Hubspot tutorials.